Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is GameFi Alliance. Today we're going to introduce you a GameFi project called EtherOrcs. EtherOrcs is similar to the setting of World of Warcraft. At present, the project is still in the very early stage. It is a text-based game, and a visual turn-based game will be launched on the website soon. EtherOrcs minted its first Genesis NFT orcs in October last year. The NFTs in the games are divided into EtherOrcs Genesis and 4 types of Ether allies. Among them, there are 5,050 Genesis orcs, and the first 1,550 orcs are free to mint. 4 types of Ether allies are shamans, orcs, rogues that are just starting to mint, and mages that are not launched yet. It takes about 40 days to mint each new character. The following steps on the roadmap is first to launch the very last new character in Ether Allies, then to launch land gameplay in second quarter of this year, and later to launch the subsequent PvP battle game mode. The general gameplay of EtherOrcs is that when players acquire an NFT orc, they can then upgrade, mine, and raid, so as to obtain some certain income in the game. Players can also choose to sell their NFTs in the secondary market or mint new characters again. The detailed gameplay will be presented in the following parts. We want to share EtherOrcs with you because of its excellent data performance in the past 5 months since its launch. The project is worthy of investors' attention, and GMA has also purchased several NFTs. After 2 weeks of real-time data measurement, we are going to present these numbers and profits with you. There are several highlights of this project. First, outstanding data performance. According to the latest NFT passive yield power rankings, as of March 14th, EtherOrcs Allies ranks number 5, and EtherOrcs Genesis ranks number 8 on the list. The team of EtherOrcs has also worked on the project on the first place called Eternal Elves Sentinels, which has also offered whitelist to orc holders. Second, Genesis orc NFTs were free to mint and fair launch at the beginning. Third, for GameFi projects with 100% assets on the blockchain, everything is recorded on the blockchain whenever a character is updated. It is transparent and updated in time, so any changes will be seen on the other platforms in time. In such a play-to-own form, these assets belong to the users. Fourth, from Polygon to ETH, the gas fee is very low. You need to cross the chain to Polygon to purchase NFT in order to lower the gas fee. To sell the NFT, you need to transfer it back to ETH chain for trading. Fifth, the community is pretty active and the user loyalty is strong. The players tend to hold NFTs for a long-term period instead of trading them on the market. 6. The team communicates actively in the official Discord channel. They have been actively respond to customers' feedback and solve problems. The team is also efficient on development process and always delivers in time. The team members are semi-anonymous with public Twitter accounts, and their source of revenue is 5% of in-game transaction fee. 7th, EtherOrcs is an auto game, thus it saves players much time and energy spent on the game. There are some risks as well. First, the token pool and NFTs do not have enough liquidity for now. Second, the high entry barrier for common players is an issue, where the minimum investment requires 1 ETH for small capital players. Now the floor price of Genesis orc is still high. Third, the project is at very early stage and the number of holding addresses is relatively small with about 1,100. Fourth, the overall economic model of the project is novel. In the long term, the tokenomics is inflationary. This way, the token price is dependent on the team, their ability to deliver in time, as well as other potential gameplay development in the future. Now let's take a look at the gameplay. Both the Genesis org and the 3 existing Ether allies can raid to obtain bone shards to mint new characters. Besides, Genesis org can farm to earn and stake ZUG, which is the only source to produce ZUG in the game, and raid consumes the most ZUG. Ether allies can participate in different dungeons to get potion, training dummy, and a lock rune respectively. These props can be used to speed up raid and upgrade character level, so as to get bone shards faster and reduce the time cost of minting new characters. In the next part, we'll introduce 2 ways to invest, and we'll present some real-time data measurement. There are 2 ways to participate in the game. First, holding NFT to upgrade, stake, mine, and raid to get tokens and props, then sell token and props in the secondary market. ROIs of just staking different characters can be checked on the dashboard shown on the screen. The highest ROI is over 300%. The second method has higher profits than just staking only, and will have more profits in the long term. So the second way to participate is that the players hold NFT to upgrade, stake, mine, and raid to collect bone shards to mint new characters, then reinvest and participate in the game for long term. The game is updating recently, so we recommend to raid in 3 dungeons: Lost Ruins, Parrot's Bounty, and Vendor's Hidden Stash. We also recommend to have full potion and upgrade to about level 20 to get potential bonus. The price of lock rune is still high. When the price drops, we recommend to have 3 lock runes to raid in Vendor's Hidden Stash. Since lock rune is still pricey now, the calculation below uses the ideal level 20 without lock rune Empire's Bounty to demonstrate. Lost rune is suitable for players away from keyboard. We calculate the expected return on NFT holder who collects bone shards to mint new characters in Empire's Bounty as of March 15th. With new character added, the current ZUG price has decreased. The price change is related to the slowing down of the bone shards production, decreasing the speed of new characters production. This results in lower ROI and a lower ZUG price, reducing the cost of bone shards. High ROI is the result of high floor price of new characters, low ZUG price, and low cost of bone shards. Since ZUG price is lower now, the cost to mint new character is lower. Our advice on minting NFT is that when purchasing multiple NFTs, you need to consider the strategy on how to choose characters and their features. As shown on the screen, GMA owns different types of EtherOrcs and has minted 2 new character, rogues. On dashboard, we can see the daily yield as of March 15th. In conclusion, currently, though there is still 1 character waiting to be launched, our investment method is summarized as purchase NFTs, then stake, mine, buy and sell, profit from completing tasks with NFTs, and mint new characters repetitively. If you are more optimistic about this project, players with small capital can stay patient for now and continue to pay attention to the land gameplay and PvP turn-based game mode in the near future. We need to see whether there will be more scenarios in the game to consume ZUG and if the entry barrier could be lower or even free to play. This video is an introduction to EtherOrcs and an analysis of current NFT selection methods and game participation methods. For more gameplay guides and strategies, GMA will take a deep dive when the game launches new contents that involve more dynamic players in the future. For more information, please follow us on social media. Thanks for watching our video.